Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back, okay? Today's video, we have another highly requested video, which is 50 Y2K crochet ideas. Now, researching for this video, mind you, I was born in 2001, so like I was a child during the early 2000s. My experience with 2000s was like being a teenager in 2014, okay, with like Tumblr and Kik and like Snapchat dog filters and Chevron, you know? So my early 2000s experience is basically non-existent. The early 2000s experience that I have is the revamp of the 2000s now in like 2023. So this video might be way off, but it's kind of a collective of low rise, you know, Y2K, okay? I tried my best, but I can't guarantee that this is super accurate. I know a lot of it's going to be like the revamp of Y2K now than compared to like the real Y2K, because let's be real, low rise jeans, there's not really a way to crochet that, okay? So I tried my best, but let's just go ahead and get right into it. We've got 5 categories for this video. We have tops, bottoms, dresses, bags, and accessories. Everything I say will be listed in the description box below in the order that I say it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorials. You can make whatever I'm showing you, okay? So let's go ahead and jump right into the first category, which is tops. Now for tops, we have this crocheted Y2K baby doll cami, which I love this. Also, it's giving very like practical magic, which I'm pretty sure is 90s, but also this is Y2K. Okay, and then we have this crochet flower tank top and this Ella top, as well as this Dahlia ruffle top. And then we can move into this more, it has like, it looks kind of like starfish, but it's scrunched in the middle, but this white top is super cute. And then I actually love this butterfly top, okay? This butterfly long sleeve, which I'm pretty sure there's also like there's also a butterfly top option that's, I'm sorry, my cat is like trying to eat my straw, so I have to pick up my cup. But there's also a butterfly top option that doesn't include the sleeves if the sleeves are a no-go for you. Or you can make a star top like this green one, or you can kind of get into like the mesh cardigans, either cropped cardigans, long sleeve, short sleeve kind of style. Those are always really cute. Or you can even do this white Y2K crochet mesh cover up. Or you could even do this cropped, and you could make this top down top as cropped as you want it, or you can make it like kind of end right at your hip bones, kind of with a low rise pair of jeans. Super cute, super Y2K. And then there's this square colorful top, as well as this Imara top, which I thought was super cute. The greens, the long open neck, the long sleeve, the croppedness of it, as well as this lacy halter top. Anything that's like halter and that's like kind of ends right where your low-rise jean would start is very Y2K. And then there's this mesh star top, as well as this sweetheart tube top kind of look. And then we have this heart. This one gained a lot of popularity at one point, but this heart top with the long kind of like a bell sleeve look. And I know that this creator also has a heart top without the sleeves. So if you're not wanting the sleeves, but you want the heart section, I think she has a pattern like just with that part. Then there's this butterfly lace top tutorial, and also this kind of like, it's like this like trippy squiggly designed halter top. And then this flower top. This one's pink, but I've seen so many different colors in it. Personally, I think I started making this in like a green color, but there's a video tutorial for this one out there. So for those my video tutorial girlies, that one's a video. And then there's this bandeau with kind of like a ring in the middle. That one's super cute if you love something super cropped, or you're looking for more of like a swimsuit top vibe. And then there's this scrunched beige top, as well as this granny square star top, which has like just the 3 squares in this triangle position. Love that. Anything showing off those hips with some low-rise jeans, That's the key to all of these tops, is to pair it with low-rise jeans, and then it makes it Y2K, you know? And then there's this butterfly top that's kind of a little different take on the butterfly top that you saw earlier. It's a little different. And then there's this top that's kind of, it gives like Tinkerbell, very princess a little bit, but it's like a bandeau with like net mesh and on the front and on the sides. And then there's this other mesh cardigan, and then there's this, it's labeled as vintage because it's Y2K and we're in 2023 now, but this vintage white tank top, once again a PDF crochet pattern similar to the other one I showed you. And then there's this other one, this other Y2K crochet top that is like the other ones but slightly different. And then there's this knitted or not knitted, I'm sorry, this Y2K crochet like shrug top thing. These things blew up. I think it was like a year ago. They were everywhere, all over everyone's TikTok, everyone's YouTube channel. Everyone was making a pattern for them. It was insane. And then here's that heart top that I kind of showed you in a halter version with no sleeves. That's all I got for you for tops. So let's move into the bottoms category. So for the bottoms, obviously mini skirts are the way to go. Anything low rise, anything mini. So we've got this crochet skirt with an addition of like the straps wrapped around your leg. I think it's cute. Honestly, like, I love it. I love it. And then there's this crochet mini skirt with the drawstring, and then there's this granny stitch skirt, and then also this more of a striped look skirt with its own, you know, band around the top. And that's all I got for you for bottoms. I don't have a lot of bottoms. A bulk of this was tops, definitely, but that was also a bulk of the requests. So I wanted to, you know, give y'all what you were asking for. So the next category is dresses. Okay, we have a couple dresses, not a lot, but we've got this Abilene dress, which lovely. And then we have this this dress is kind of like a blue trippy looking pattern, but I just think the pattern just gives Y2K, so I love that. And then there's this halter striped dress, and then the heart McKenna dress. The McKenna dress went viral on TikTok, so I know you've seen this one before, but this one is giving very Y2K, and you can actually stop the pattern right around mid-length to make it a top if you don't want it to be like a full dress look, which is totally an option. And then that's all I got for you for dresses, so let's move into the bag category, which I've actually made a couple of these patterns. So for the first one, we have this checkered flower bag, which was super cute. It's got the checkered, it's got the flower, but if you don't really want this flower top, here's a checkered only bag. Okay, I have actually made these bags before. I've made 2 of them, and I loved them. I loved the pattern tutorial I used. It was a video tutorial. Amazing, magnificent. Okay, I loved it. Very easy process, very beginner friendly, and it turned out amazing. I had no issue with it. And then I also made this checkered bag that kind of gives, it's a different checkered bag, but it's more of like a slouchy tote checkered bag. Also followed a video tutorial, also amazing. Loved it. Okay, this is the video tutorial that I followed, but it was amazing. It's page approved. Okay, and I also tried this heart shoulder bag, but I also tried it like when I was a super beginner, and I got so frustrated because the entire thing is tapestry crocheting, and I've come to learn that I hate tapestry crocheting. So if you like tapestry crocheting, check out this heart shoulder bag, and even this butterfly shoulder bag. You'll probably love it if you love tapestry crocheting, but if you don't, then I would avoid those 2. And then if you want something big and chunky and bulky and it kind of be the centerpiece of your outfit, I would make something like this chunky yarn flower purse. Okay, these ones also were everywhere at one point, but yeah, it's kind of died down a bit, but I could see this in that being like the main part of your outfit. Now that we're done with bags, let's move into the last category, which is accessories. Okay, so for accessories, we have this butterfly keychain, which I've actually made this before. It's super beginner friendly, super easy, and a super quick workup. And it turns out like really cute. And then there's these green fingerless gloves. Now for Y2K, you kind of want to go short on the fingers and really short on the wrists. To kind of keep it short. That's like the Y2K vibe. And then you've got these checkered wallets, which I thought was really cute. And then there's a bunch of different kinds of coasters you can make and jewelry dishes you can make that kind of give that like bright, colorful 2000s look. So here's just like kind of a glimpse at some options you have for that if you're trying to do some home decor. And then there's this star keychain, which I just thought was cute. And then you can also make some leg warmers. Okay, super cute, super easy tutorial. And that is all I have for you guys when it comes to 50 Y2K inspired crochet ideas. So as a friendly reminder, everything I said is listed in the description box below in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so that you can make everything that I showed you in this video. If you're looking for a specific photo out of this video, or you want to see who posted the photo, or you want like a direct link to the photo, everything is in a cohesive Pinterest board, okay, also linked down below, so you can go check that out if that's something that you're looking for. With that being said, if there's any crochet related video that I haven't done yet, it's not on my channel, okay, go look first. Definitely go look, because some of you guys request things that I've already done, so go check that out. And if it's not there, then come to the comment section and jot it down, and I'll add it to the list of never-ending crochet idea videos that I am tirelessly working through. Okay, with that being said, y'all, thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.